Hi everyone, myself Harsha. I am a Pega trainer at Harsha Trainings. And today I am going to give answers to different questions that we have got in our YouTube channel. And with this session, you are going to learn about or understand about a no coding tool which has huge job opportunities in the market. Okay, I am going to explain about the particular tool. It is none other than Pega. So anyone who wanted to enter into software industry, this is one of the best courses to choose and learn. Anyone who is knowledgeable about Pega, definitely they're going to get job into IT software companies for sure. First, let me brief out the questions that we are going to address in this video. The first question is going to be, what is Pega? And the second question, does Pega requires any coding? And third question, what should be the background, means education background or the employment background in order to learn Pega? And the fourth question, what are the job opportunities in the today's market? And the fifth question, future of Pega. Okay, so these are the questions that we are going to look at. And the last question is the important question that many people are asking since long back. Okay, I'll explain each one by one. So just to brief out, so what is Pega? See, Pega is a tool that has been developed by a company called Pega Systems. So what do we do using Pega tool? Using Pega tool, we are going to develop applications like how you learn Java, UI technologies, let's say Java full stack or Python full stack or .NET full stack, like that. You'll be learning some of the courses and where you are going to work on application development. Coming to Pega, it is also the same. What you are going to do using Java full stack or .NET full stack or Python full stack, the same you can do by using Pega, where you are going to be an application developer, where you will be working on user interface, business logic and database. All these three together, which are needed for a typical web application development. You are going to learn how to develop the business applications, where it involves developing UI and developing business logic and developing database, all this. I mean like database queries and all. For the interaction between UI and database, in between you have business logic. Just it is a brief idea about what is Pega is used to develop business applications. Okay, let me tell you an example. Like you can develop applications like Amazon also. Amazon.in application you can develop by using Pega. It is possible, but in reality we don't have that. Amazon is a different technology. So like that, applications you can develop by using Pega. Amazon, Flipkart, this type of applications you can develop by using Pega. And now, so when you are learning Pega, does it require any coding? See, many people, they are afraid of coding. So many resources we see in the market, so they ask us one question, does it have any coding or not? See, remember, if you are learning Pega or if you are going to be working on Pega, there is no coding, zero coding. This is zero coding. It is called as no coding tool. No coding tool. See, when you are learning Pega, there is no need to code anything. So then I said in the previous one, like UI, business logic and database, how are you going to implement? See, there is no need to code anything related to user interface HTML programming. There is no need to code anything related to business logic, or there is no need to write any queries by yourself. See, Pega provides a tool. The tool will automatically generate UI, business logic and database. See, simply speaking, while you are learning Pega, you need to learn the components available in the Pega tool. So the tool provides so many components. You need to learn to understand what are the components provided, and you need to use those components in order to build your application functionalities. So that is the best way of developing the business application using Pega. Anyone who wanted to learn Pega, if you are looking for no code tools, then Pega is the best solution where you have zero coding. Okay, so this is about, it doesn't require any coding. What is the advantage of this? See, what should be the education background required so while you are learning Pega? See, people from any education background can learn. What is the reason any education background can learn? People without any technical knowledge, they should be able to learn Pega and work on it. We have seen so many people in our career who are from M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, MBA background were able to learn Pega and they were able to successfully start their career in IT industry, and today they are surviving with more than 25 lakh rupees of package per year. So that is been possible by learning Pega. So when you are learning Pega, there is no need to bother about any coding. And eligibility, so it is background. What is the background required in this eligibility? It is not only about education background. See, education background wise, anyone from BTech or MCA, MPharmacy, BPharmacy, even we have people who are MBA graduate also learn Pega and got into jobs. So like this, from any degree is okay, but diploma, polytechnic and all not okay. After a diploma or polytechnic, you have to complete some degree, and that is eligible. You are okay to proceed forward. And from any background, they will be able to learn easily. We teach it from the basics onwards. And next one. So what are the job opportunities in the market? It is not only India, anywhere. And one more thing, I forgot to tell you, I'm sorry. So where it is not only about education background. See, if you are already working in non-IT companies, let's say you're working in banking industry, you're working in other sales departments, or you're working in some other jobs, okay, like mechanical related jobs or chemical related jobs or pharmaceutical related jobs, and you wish to start in your career in IT industry, then the best choice is to go with Pega. Okay, so that is going to give you the best opportunities in the market. Okay, so this is about background. So any degree, any education background, and also any employment background is okay. And also the people who are already working in IT and different technologies, if you're learning Pega, there are opportunities in the market for cross-trained resources, meaning that they are going to conduct interview on your present technology, but they'll hire you on Pega as you are done Pega training and certified in Pega. And job opportunities in the market. So what are the job opportunities available in today's market? See, in India, USA, Australia, Canada, and even Singapore, Malaysia, Bangkok, and even so many Saudi countries also, there are huge opportunities in Pega. See, because Pega is a licensed tool, many people, they don't know about this tool, but the job opportunities are really with excellent high packages, high paid salaries are for Pega in the market of IT industry. After Pega only anything is going to come. Again, it depends on your skill. You should be expert in this to get the high packages. We have resources with 3 years of experience getting 25 lakhs package. Okay, we have resources like this. And we have resources whose package present CTC is 6 lakhs and they have offered 26 lakhs after learning Pega. Someone with 6 lakhs is working in mainframes and learn Pega and moved on to Pega with 26 lakhs. See, almost 300% hike they have got. Okay, so like this, there are good opportunities in the market. And what about the future? This is one of the main questions that many people ask. Why people are asking this question? What is the future of Pega? The reason is, usually any tool that comes into the market, it is not going to withstand in the market for not more than 4 years. See, we have ClickView. After ClickView, we have Tableau, or maybe Tableau, ClickView, I don't know the order. And we have Power BI. There are so many tools which are competing in the market. And if you are learning any tool, maximum of 4 years after that, another tool will come and replace this tool with best solutions. But how long Pega is going to sustain in that case? Pega is also a tool. Then how long it is going to sustain in the market? That is the main question that many people ask us. See, you need to understand one thing about Pega. Pega is a development tool, application development tool. So, see, as long as you use Java for your application development, as long as you use Python for your application development, as long as you use UI technologies in the application development. So as long as these technologies are there in the market, Pega also will be there in the market for sure, because Pega is not some specific solution provided in the market. Pega is meant for application development without the need of coding. See, anyone who wanted to develop their business applications, if they are going to take 3 years in Java, the same application can be developed in Pega within 1 year, even less than that, 6 months. Always business wants to see or wants to get ready-made products and quickly developed products. That's why Pega is leading the market. So if you are going to learn Pega for next to 20 years, definitely you need not to look back. Then what about after that? Other tools will come? No, I'm not saying in that perspective. Maybe there will be enough developers in the market. And one more thing is, Pega has captured the present market clients Just I believe it is just 2% of the clients. There are still 98% of the clients in the development world whose projects have to be moved on to Pega, but that will take time. So in a long duration of 20 years it will sustain, even more than 20 years it will be there, because of the reason it is an application development tool. It is not simply like a reporting tool or something. It is an application development tool. As long as you develop applications using Python, Java, .NET, all this, Pega also will be there in the market for sure. So the long-term sustainability will be there for sure. So it is a good idea for anyone to learn Pega to get high packages in the IT industry. And if you are a fresher, or if you are a graduate with gap after your education, or if you are working in non-IT companies, BPOs and other jobs, if you're working in non-IT jobs in IT companies, or if you're working in IT jobs in IT companies, you belong to any one of these categories, and if you're looking for a career change into IT industry with high packages and good future ahead and with good onshore opportunities, definitely the choice is Pega. You will be definitely reaching your goal for sure. We help you on that. If you have not subscribed to our channel so far, and if you like the content, request you to subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends and your connections. And if you have any questions related to your career guidance, please post your questions under the comment section of this video. And myself, Harsha, signing off. Thank you.